What's up, mainframers? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into one of the handiest tools in your ISPF toolbox, the Move Copy Utility Option 3.3. Whether you're tidying up datasets or migrating members between libraries, this tutorial is for you. Now, if you're watching this and you think, cool, but I don't have access to a mainframe, well, that's not a problem. I have a link in the description down below where I show you how to install the Hercules emulator that runs the IBM mainframe software, which is MVS 3.8, and you can install it and follow along with me and start your mainframe journey today. Now that we got the intros out of the way, let's get started. Before we begin, ensure both the source and target datasets are allocated. As in ISPF, moving copy requires them to exist beforehand. I've included a link in the description below to show you how to allocate partition datasets step by step. First, we'll move members from the source dataset to the target dataset. From the command line, we're going to do option 3. And from here, we're going to do option 3 for move and copy. Next, tab to the dataset name. This will be our source for the move. So we enter the apostrophe, and the dataset name is mj.dev_release01.bcob. Then press Home key to go back to the command line and type M for move and hit enter. Next, tab to the dataset name. This will be our target for the move. Hit enter. Next, we tab over to the members we wish to move. We type S next to the members and hit enter. For move, it deletes the members from the source dataset and copies them over to the target dataset. Let's go see the results. From the command line, we type equal 3.4. Then we go to the targeted dataset, which is the test release 01, and do a browse on the bcob, and there you go. Your members have moved over. Now let's do a copy. We're going to do an equal 3.3 from the command line, and we're going to move over to mj.dev_release01.jcl. Then we press home to the command line. We type in C for copy and hit enter. Then we tab over to the dataset name for the target dataset, which is the test dataset. Hit enter. Then we tab over and type select for the members we wish to copy. Copy retains the members in the source dataset and duplicates them in the target dataset. Let's go see the results. From the command line, type equal 3.4 and go into the test release library. And there are your members. Quick tip, if you want to rename a member, you tab over to the member and type N, hit enter, and type in the new member name. Hit enter. And repeat the same steps for the other members. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, then I'd like to ask you to please smash the like and subscribe button down below so you'll be notified for more upcoming tutorials coming your way. Also, don't forget to drop a comment down below if there are any other ISPF or mainframe related topics that you would like to see. Till then, I will see you later.